all you have to do is create a watch list from here. So here, from here, I can just create a watch list. I can type any name I want here and then create a watch list. And then I just have to add them to this watch list. So all the 50 stocks I've got added. These are stocks which are above H4. Now I have created a watch list which I have found out and I've added it above H4. Now this particular watch list which I have created, what I can do is I can then go to any of these pages. Okay, let me just show you. Let me just show you that I have created a watch list of all the stocks above H4. I can now go and click on, for example, I go to this expert alerts. Okay, now I go into expert alerts and what I have to do is I just have to go here. Okay, all right, I'll have to go here and I'll have to select my watch list. So I just select my watch list, and what happens is based on my watch list, the entire list is populated. So I know where there is some price action happening, where there is some filtered open high low happening, where there is some price and volume combine happening. So I get under various headings under expert alert, all the stocks will get filtered. So I've got stocks which are already above H4, which means it is trending. Now, if I want more clarifications, I can go here and I can fetch that. So that is the power of watch list, which we have created in NeoTrader. And now, when if you want to again go and refresh, there is a separate video available where you can go and check it out on how to create watch list. So watch list creation is one of the most powerful features of NeoTrader, and you can pull that watch list anywhere. Now, the same watch list can be used in any of the analyst page. Any of the analyst page, you can build your own creativity. Just like Dr. Narayan said, you can be very, very creative, right? And that is the power which NeoTrader is giving you. You can pull the same thing. Now, I can go here, all right, and I can say, I want some intraday trades based on my watch list. So now I'll go into my intraday trades page, okay? And these are I'll step into my intraday trades page. Now, in my intraday trades page, I will go and select my watch list. So, what happens is based on my watch list, I will get the trades. I will get the trades here based on my watch list. I've got my watch list defined. I know that those are the stocks which are having some trend, and based on that, I am getting a setup here. So, I have a watch list which is a trended watch list. Now, in that, I want my entry stop loss target. All of you know that this is how the page is designed. So, entry stop loss target, everything is made available for you in from that particular watch list. So, yes, A, you have got a refined set of stocks. B, you have got this intraday page. And C, from the intraday page, you will get a ready-made trade, which you have created from your own universe, which you have created from one particular tool. So this is how you can mix and match and pull it up in the intraday trade page and create your own set of trades. So that is the beauty of NeoTrader. And now when you use the Camaria page, you can come up with these sets of combination. Now let's again go back into the Camaria page. Okay, now let's again see the other set of concepts here. So now you can see here in the Camaria page, you have got prices above H4, prices below L4. You have got open above H4, means that open above H4 is one of the most potential moves. So you can see here that this is a stock which has opened above H4. So right at the morning in the opening, you get this particular trade. Let me just show you how you can watch. The moment it opens above H4, it gets flashed here, right? You can see here that this particular page, okay, every 5 minutes, this particular page is refreshed every 5 minutes. So you get the update here, and you can see here that this is a stock which has opened above H4. So let's go and take a look at what could have happened if you had traded this stock. Now let's go and see this particular stock of Tata Communication, which says open above H4. Within the first 5 minutes, you would have got an idea about how the stock is positioned, and all you have to do is click on this particular icon and the chart will open up. So now if you see here that this particular stock has moved quite well, right? This particular stock has moved quite well, and you can see here since the market opened at 9:20, the entire message was flashed in NeoTrader, and the entire stock moved from 1560 to 1620. A 60-point move was you could have captured as part of this feature of NeoTrader. So like this, there are many such features which are available on NeoTrader.